Uptown Swing.
Peter.
Level 1, Maddie.
No turn?
The
Whatever.
6 count.
Don't talk about it. Okay, we rocked it today. We did Frankie's sixes, but before that, we're gonna show you just that little triple step thing we tried, just to remind you, we don't wanna change our weight too fast. This is a little like that Peanuts guy, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You get it. So we don't wanna do that. We wanna just go nice and easy. Slowly change your weight. Chill on the triples. And then also, we don't wanna get too hoppy with it. Whap, whap. You go up, you're making rainbows, 2 rainbows per triple step. We don't want that. We want 2 smiley faces per triple step. Rock, step, shoopy-doop, shoopy-doop. You can exaggerate that if you need. And then you just chill it out and do it in place. That's your practice. Everyone did that really, really well today. And I think some people touched it that haven't touched it before. That was awesome. If you can get a hold of that, the dance does get a touch easier. Then we did Frankie's sixes. Your homework is look up Frankie, check out a video of an interview or a dance, young or old, whatever, you'll love it. We did this. Rock, step, triple step, switch the hand. Rock, step, triple step, sneakle step, rock, step, goodbye. Hello again. Rock, step, catch the arm, around we go. Rock, step, shabam. Hey, hey, hey. Dance. That was it. Oh, yeah. Hey, ho, ho, hey. Dude.